So part 1 of September already gave us some amazing dramas. We have got revenge, thrillers, politics, and even a big historical drama. Basically, September is refusing to slow down. So let's check out all the must-watch dramas dropping between September 16th and 30th. First up on September 19 is To the Moon or Let's Go to the Moon, airing on MBC and streaming on Viki in some regions. This is a refreshing slice of life rom-com about three women working at a confectionery company. By day, they are dealing with corporate politics, endless deadlines, and burnout. By night, they are chasing dreams of financial freedom, sometimes through hilarious get-rich-quick schemes like crypto investing. It's light-hearted, funny, and also deeply relatable if you have ever worked in an office. If you love shows like Be Melodramatic or Weightlifting Fairy Kim Bok-joo, this one will give you those cozy vibes with a modern twist. On September 20, things get a lot darker with Walking on Thin Ice. This drama follows Kang Yeon-soo, an ordinary housewife who is already stretched thin by her husband's medical bills. But everything changes when she stumbles upon a stash of illegal drugs. At first, it looks like an answer to her problems, but as we all know, easy money comes with a dangerous price. What makes this interesting is the way it blends slice of life realism with crime thriller tension. Imagine Breaking Bad but told from the perspective of a desperate woman in Korea. It's suspenseful, emotional, and will probably make you wonder, what would I do in her shoes? Definitely one for fans of My Sister and Flower of Evil. On September 24, we are heading into the world of power, politics, and betrayal with First Lady. This drama pulls back the curtain on the glamorous yet ruthless world of politics. Behind the polished speeches and staged photo ops lies a battlefield of scandals, secret deals, and personal sacrifices. The big question is, what price are people willing to pay for power? Expect plenty of scheming, unexpected alliances, and shocking betrayals. The kind of melodrama that will keep you glued to your screen. And here is the kicker. First Lady premieres on the same day as another heavy hitter, No Mercy. This is a revenge-driven thriller centered on a woman who has been wronged in ways most of us can't imagine. Instead of staying a victim, she turns the tables and fights back with everything she has. Think high-octane action, raw emotion, and unflinching determination. If you love My Name with Han Soo-hee or the revenge arcs in The Glory, you will know exactly what kind of intensity to expect. The title says all. In this world, there is no forgiveness, only payback. Then on September 26, we are going back in time with The Marquis Dream, starring Rowoon, Shin Ye-eun, and Park So-ham. This is a Joseon-era historical drama filled with political corruption, betrayal, and struggles between the powerful and powerless. At the center of it all is an official in training whose life is turned upside down when he is pulled into dangerous power games. Expect sword fights, smoky taverns, secret societies, and maybe even some forbidden romance. If you are a fan of shows like The Red Sleeve or Kingdom, this is definitely the big historical highlight of late September. And finally, closing out the month is Miss Incognito on September 29. This one mixes romance, mystery, and crime. Our lead is a woman with a carefully hidden identity caught in a dangerous situation where love and betrayal intervene. What makes it exciting is the balance between stylish romantic tension and edge-of-your-seat thriller moments. You never quite know who to trust or whether her secrets will destroy her or save her. It's the perfect way to end September with a bang. A little romance, lot of mystery, and plenty of drama. And that wraps up part 2 of the must-watch K-dramas of September 2025. So what do you think? Which half of September came out on top? Are you more excited for the star-studded romance or thrillers from part 1 or the darker crime stories, political scandals, and historical drama in part 2?